What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. We got that big green egg rolling at about 425. We have some chicken thighs that we trimmed up nice. They've been marinating in some Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce, which I love to marinate in. I also tossed some Kunami from Lane's Barbecue. Couldn't think of the name. Kunami from Lane's Barbecue in there as well for that awesome taste. Those two together. Can't wait. We're going to sear them nice and quick. Then we're going to make ourselves an awesome stir fry, so stay tuned. All right. Got some fresh veggies that we cut up, sliced up. Got some garlic, some olive oil as well. Just going to let these cook nice and slow. I mean, I've got this on like a extremely low setting. We're going to cook this up nice and low, nice and slow. Get this ready for our stir fry. All right, so we got those thighs on. Got a little seasoning on there. Like I said, it was marinated in Bachan's. Really nice coloring. Got it on direct flame here, so it's not going to take too long. I mean, they're pretty thin thighs as it is. We're going to let them cook, and then we're going to go inside and we're going to eat. Now we're taking some of my very favorite teriyaki sauce. We're just tossing a little in the bowl, just at the bottom. So we're going to put those thighs back in here. We're going to mix them around, throw a little on top, and put it back on so that we can glaze them and seal in that flavor. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful coloring. Look at that. These look so good. Super pumped. All right, let's stop screwing with them. Let's rest them a little bit, and then we eat. All right, look at that. Beautiful coloring. The outside, perfectly cooked on the inside. Man, this is so good. Yo, let's be honest here. Look at the beautiful cook on this. I mean, it's just so moist and tender. Awesome looking on the outside. Smells fantastic. I mean, I should be walking around the neighborhood here with toothpicks in these things, offering them out like I'm at a mall from the 90s. Because this is banging. Wow. Oh, man. So good. So good.